Hi guys, if you're interested in any kind of API testing that relates to testing backend data, you should familiarize yourself with Postman. It's very easy to use and you can do manual and as well as automation testing using Postman. This tool is free to use and very easy to learn. That is why it's very popular. In this video, I will show you step by step the installation process and how to get started with Postman using a collection that can be found in Postman website for free for us to use and practice. All right, let's start. Okay, first we'll search Postman download. We'll go to the Postman website. Here you will see the download button. So just click download and then pick whichever bit is your PC is. Windows 64-bit for me. Save file. You click on the file that was installed, that was downloaded, and then it will start installing the Postman. Okay, now you have to create an account. Okay, so you can just create a free account. All right, I'll create one for myself. Right. Okay, so first provide an email. And then an username. Password. Right, then press the create free account button. An account with this username already exists, so I have to change the username. Try Shafayat Ahmed. All right. An account has been created. What's your name? Which of these roles is closest to yours? I would say full stack developer. How do you plan to use Postman? Whatever. Automation testing, API documentation, monitoring, publishing APIs. Okay. All right. Create your own team. Continue without a team. All right. Now you have your Postman. So after that, you can see the UI of the Postman. So a little bit of introduction on the interface. So if you click on this tab, you'll see the history of all the APIs that you have called or your activity. This is the tab for collection. So if you have like 5 collection, all the collection will appear in here. So mostly we'll be using the collection. So from here we'll be accessing all those APIs and running those tests. And here you have a new button. In this using this new button, you can add a new request, new collection, environment. All right. So import. If someone provides you with a collection, you're going to have to import it using this button. All right, and runner is used for automation purpose. So in case if you want to automate the Postman collection, you will be using the runner. So next, I'll show you how to get the Postman collection that is provided by Postman themselves to use and practice for ourselves. Okay, now to get that collection, go to the browser and search for Postman Echo. Click on the Postman Echo website, and then you'll see this interface. From this interface, you can practice in here, but since you have already installed the Postman, it's best to practice it in Postman app. So run in Postman for Windows. All right, open link. All right, so now you see this collection. Under the collection tab, you have a collection that we have just pulled from Postman website. It has all the requests for you to practice. So the for API testing, you have to be familiar. You have to familiarize yourself with these calls. There's different type of calls. One is get call, one is post call, one is put call, then delete. Patch is for actually server update. So unless you're working with DevOps activity, you'll not be using that very much. So I will skip that. So okay, to start with, let's go to a GET request. So this is the API they have provided. So in here you can choose if you want to do get, post, put, delete, whichever you want to go for. So you have headers in here. They didn't provide any headers. The params, the parameters that you see in the URL, they're here. You can add more params according to your need. So now this is just a get call, so we'll be calling something from the database. So let's see what happens if I click on the send button. Okay, so we got some response. So as you can see, this is what Postman has stored for ourselves when you call this API with get call. And the next you have post. So for the post, you have to have a body. So they have provided this is expected to be sent back as part of the response body. So for the get call, we don't use the body, so we're just calling. So in here, we're actually posting or like inserting something in the database. So if you click on this, send, so we have inserted this information in the database. And the put call is used like to make changes or to add some additional information to an already existing data list or data table. So I guess what they have provided is this is expected to be sent back as part of response body. So I'll just hit send. So this is what they provided. And del, if you want to delete something from the database, suppose you have created five products, you want to delete one product. If you just provide that ID of the product in the URL, then you could use this delete button, hit the send button, and it will delete that item from the database. That's how the delete works. So this is a small overview of this get call, post call, put call, and the delete call. And you can just start yourself with this request and get yourself familiarized so that you have a basic idea how the Postman works. There are more requests they have provided, and you can just play with it and learn more. And I'll talk about the runner, the automation portion, in a different video, and how to set up the automation test script. I'll talk about that in a different video. So for now, that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.